Maisy here.
And Eddie too.
Huh? Whoa! Where did that come from? Can I get down, please? Whoa! Whoa! A bubble! Wow!
Whoa! Look, Maisy. Another one.
Where are you? Who's blowing the bubbles?
I think it comes from behind that bush.
Surprise!
Hello, Charlie.
I love making bubbles. See what I can do this.
More! More! So many bubbles! Let's see if I can catch one.
I got one. Whoa!
Come over here, bubble. Got it. Whoa!
Hey, Charlie. Can I blow these bubbles, please?
Of course, Eddie. Go ahead. Whoa. Good one. Put this down. Yeah! Yeah! Oh.
Oh, no! I spilled the bubbles onto the floor. Oh, I'm sorry, Charlie.
Oh, Eddie. How could you? Now I have nothing to blow.
Wait. I think I have an idea. Come with me to my house.
Ah, you heard Maisy. Come on.
Okay.
Some dishwashing soap. And some water.
Okay, Maisy. Let's see if this works. Whoa!
Wow!
It worked! Have fun with your bubbles, friends. I'll make some more water mixture.
Did you like blowing bubbles? Hit the thumbs up button if you can.
Come on, Eddie, blow the bubbles. Wow!
Oh! Here comes a big one.
Blow, Eddie, blow!
Blow.
You're right, Charlie. It is a big bubble. Wow! Yeah!
Yeah.
Goodbye,
Bubble. And goodbye to you too.
Peace. Woo!
Yeah.